This annual inspection is crucial in ensuring our readiness and capability to respond effectively to any disaster that may strike our communities. It is a testament to our unwavering commitment to public service and safety.
Remember na ito ay ginagawa purposely to ensure your readiness in times of calamity. Do your best, ma-meet tayo the expectations kada kayo nga search in rescue personnel.